So, how can you actually get rid of ads? As many of you are aware, people find various types of ads to be very annoying. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of these types of ads. Okay, so in this video, first, I'll give you a free solution. I'll show you a tool and you'll find the link in the description box. And after that, I'll show you a permanent solution to get rid of these types of ads. Now, let's talk about the first free solution. First, you can see here, these are ads by Google. And in this website, this is just a random website to give you a demo. You can see there are many ads. When you apply that method, it'll work on any site. This is just a demo site. So I'm providing the link in the description box of this video. When you click on that link, you'll land on this page here. You need to install this extension. So after installing this extension, it'll start loading, as you can see here. And you can also pin this extension from here. Just click on the pin icon and it'll be pinned here. As you can see, this extension has been installed in my Chrome browser. Now, as you can see here, this is the same website, but right now there are no ads on this website at all. And if I close this and reload the page, you can see there are ads appearing again. As you can see here, ads are coming back on this website. You can see ads by Google. But if I enable this extension, no ads at all on this website. No ads at all. So this is how you can remove ads. And now, let's talk about the permanent solution to get rid of ads. Here is something you cannot miss. So here's the actual part of this video. You can see, don't panic by seeing you need to pay $39. Just chill. You can see 100K plus sold. Now, I'm providing the link in the description box. Why am I recommending this tool to you? There are many reasons, but one of the best reasons I'm telling you is lifetime access. As you can see here, normally you know that you need to pay monthly. But if you click the link in the description box and land on this page, you just need to pay a one-time fee, like just $29. And you can also choose personal or family. If you go to family, you just need to pay $10 extra. And if you bought their family plan, you can use it on multiple devices like Microsoft, Mac OS, iOS, and Android 7. So you can see lifetime access, maximum number of devices, 9, access option, desktop and mobile. So you'll also get rid of ads on both Android and desktop. This is how you can get rid of ads. If this video was helpful for you, like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.